This is a video that's part of the Seesaw Administration Functionality series. This video will display how you can add a teacher to your school to access the premium version and add that teacher to any classes. This is a great way to do this for some of our DTLs and our AMP teachers. So you want to go to Teachers and you want to click on Create a New Teacher. Enter that teacher's name and that teacher's email address with their @jeffco.k12.co.us. It's very important that you only use the @jeffco.k12.co.us. This is the domain that the Seesaw will recognize as part of the Jeffco Premium package. Create teacher account, and once I've done that, a list of classes at my school will come up, and I can add this teacher to any of these classes as a co-teacher. I'll click on that, click on the green check mark, and then I can go over to the Classes tab and I can make sure that that teacher has now been added as a co-teacher to this class. You can also remove a teacher at any time. In the Classes tab, hover over Edit Classes, and then you can go in and you can manage the teachers, remove from class, remove her from the class, and she has been successfully removed from that class. As an admin, you have the power to create a teacher with their @jeffco.k12.co.us. The teacher will get an email, and then you can add the teacher to any class.